The skin is the body's largest organ. When its surface is damaged, skin is unable to retain moisture and protect itself from the environment, causing it to lose the ability to repair and renew itself. Powered by probiotics and plant extracts, SUPERSTART Skin Renewal Booster is a breakthrough product clinically proven to restore the healthy appearance of your skin's surface layer, resulting in supple, smooth, more radiant-looking skin. It's designed with an exclusive probiotic complex, Fennel and Flaxseed Extracts that work to help restore the skin's barrier to a healthy-looking condition. 92% of women agree that SUPERSTART Skin Renewal Booster helps repair the look and feel of their damaged or irritated skin, and 95% also agree that SUPERSTART boosts the effectiveness of their skincare products based on U.S. home use test with 89 women 25 to 59 years of age after 8 weeks. Based on U.S. home use consumer test on 62 women aged 25 to 59 after 8 weeks. In addition to exfoliating sunflower wax beads slough off dead cells, with packed in moisturizing pomegranate, argon, sesame oils and conditioning grape seed extract, ensure your skin is properly replenished. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.